Hi everyone, so today I have this new card kit to share with you that Diamond Press has brought to HS, and it is their Squeeze the Day card kit. And so let me go ahead and open this guy up. So these items were sent free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own. And any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Look how cute these colors here. I just always like to show you guys how things are packaged. And we start from there. So, with YouTube, I do have some new affiliate links with HSN, so it might be, you know, the little shopping bag here or the word shop can also get you over. But the full exhaustive list of what Diamond Press has brought to HSN will be in the description box. But sometimes they just don't populate correctly with the YouTube, so they'll be there. But look at this, and they always have a nice sentiment in here. I was going to say some writing. Writing. A friend is like a ray of sunshine bringing light and warmth to your day. So there you are. You can see that, have that inspire you as you create. Really sweet. Let's check this out. So Squeeze the Day Slimline card kit, but there are 24 Slimline and A2 cards, 3 of each design. So as you can see there. Oh, yes, this is very much like the Sweet Sunshine or Sunshine paper, and I did say that I would let you guys know when it was available. Probably by the time you see this, it has been available for a few days, but the paper pack is available. So I do have it linked both in the description box and here in the shopping bag, because this is some good stuff, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And it has this beautiful sheen to it we talked about, like the Scandinavian papers. Gorgeous stuff. I just want to let you guys know in case you didn't hear. I think in the last few videos I've said it at the end, and you know. It has 102 clear enamel dots, 30 yards of twine, 24 slimline and A2 cards, 6 of each color, and 16 layered butterflies. Oh, how cute. Okay, 24 cardstock backgrounds, 8 designs, 3 of each. 156 die cuts, 18 goiled, because I read gold and foiled and I was going to say together, gold foiled die cuts, 768 adhesive foam squares, and the storage box, of course, which is always a really nice heavy-duty quality box. So we have some of the sentiments there you can check out. Sorry about that lighting. And some examples or, you know, ideas there. Cute. Okay, so let's check these guys out. Okay, I was like, oh, what are the cards? The cards are over here, the other ones. So here are these guys, the Slimlines. We have our envelopes. We have our cards, which are that same Scandinavian paper, you guys. It just feels so nice. Really nice weight. I don't know what to tell you. It's just gorgeous. If you saw the unboxing of each and every sheet of the other paper, you'll see that it's just really lovely stuff. So there you go. Their slimline measures 3.5 by 8.5, a proper slimline in my opinion. You have your dimensional adhesives here. I love this little case that keeps everything separate. It's nice and sturdy too. It's not just like wants to collapse on itself. Or you know what I'm saying, when you feel plastic sometimes it feels like it just gives. It's really nice and rigid there. You have the dots, which is really cute. I love clear enamel dots, especially with things that are like floral. It looks really nice. Okay, and then we have the A2 size, which would be 4.25 by 5.5. And we have the envelopes, the pink and orange or tangerine color for those guys. And again, that awesome paper. Love it. It does have a slightly different feel from the others because this one has just the Scandinavian feel on the one side. The other side is very matte. You know, it's the core of the paper. And this one has that Scandinavian on both sides. So it just has a different feel. So very cute. Oh, sorry. You know, I should show you guys more with the Argyle design. It's because I went through these before and I forgot. There's a stripe pattern. And did we kind of talk about these? Not really so much, huh? Those cute little dots. This is my favorite pattern. So cute. And then the little kind of plaid. There you go. Very 80s looking, this one. It reminds me of something like that. And then the yellow with like the little organic dots. And then, okay, we have the die cut pieces. Just thinking, you know, now that I have a lot of scrapbooking going on, this is the great kind of thing to use for that, you know, your cards, but with your scrapbooks and your little flowers and little things that you pop in here and there. There's a little cloud behind your picture or whatever. So super cute. Oh, some smaller flowers, some like fruits. You get probably some of the roller skates. They're always so cute, the little ice creams. And again, all this stuff is really coordinated within the collections that they brought out this month. I feel like you have your rainbows. I mean, look at this little guy. So cute. Oh my gosh, ladybugs, little bees, daisies, I love that. Smaller ladybugs, like the word hello on this one. You have, I was trying to see what this says. Aw, days ahead. It's like bzz. So let me see here. I want to see what else we have. Cute. Okay. I was trying to see if there's a mix of how they're separating out the gold foil die cuts and then the die cuts. So we're looking at the die cuts right now. Thank, and then sunshine and a big high, lemons and cherries, and excited for you. And look at the bubble gum. That is so cute. Sunglasses, all the cute little like different types of sunglasses. You can see a little daisy one, the hearts. Really nice big thanks. Yay. Congrats. So excited for you. Ring ring. Little phone, and then you can push this out. Makes it a little more dainty. I have both of them in my hand, so I'm pulling them from both of them right now. There you go. That. Bigger daisies, bird with like a little flower. The double layer butterflies. We can see this top layer is like the wings and a little bit of the body, and then the bottom one is everything. So we have those guys. 2 packs of those. The gold foiled sentiments. I think it's 2 of each, right? So thank you. Oh, hello. You make me so happy. I love this as a drop shadow. So it's like the pink, the fuchsia kind of color with the drop shadow of the gold. Just wanted to say, you know, you're so sweet. Squeeze the day. When flowers bloom, so does hope. And you're the best. Super cute. I'll put those over here. And then, you know, these are like topper background pieces. They help ground your card. Oh, I'm taking off the wrong thing. I was taking this sticker off instead of opening them. You have your little hexagon, you have this cute little shape, little scallop kind of shape, square, another little hexagon with your little bees, and so just similar shapes but in different colorways, right? So you can play with those. And then we have our twine raffia kind of bundle. So this one's kind of rolled up in a way that's more like twine, but then you have the raffia pieces here, or, well, not pieces, because one continuous strand, but there you go. So fuchsia, yellow, a beautiful light blue, pink, a tangerine color, and a white, and it all coordinates really nicely. So it's not just like an afterthought that you just tossed in here. Everything always coordinates so well with these kits. So I'm going to clear the decks and we'll put together a card or two. I'll be right back. I brought out 1 Slimline, and we'll do 1 A2 size card also. So for now, for this guy, maybe I orient it this way, maybe we go a different way, I don't know, but let me see how these would fit. Cute. Maybe we do a couple of these guys. I'm going to put a little piece of tape on there just to hold that down. And then maybe something in the center, right, to kind of break that up. Well, we can have yay. And, I mean, it depends on what kind of card what we're doing here. I already have the yay on there. I was going to get another sentiment, but I mean, any of these will fit in there really nicely. Maybe a couple little characters, or like the fruits. Let me see what we have. Oh my gosh. Little. That's very matchy-matchy, so let me go and see if... Oh, you know what? If it's too matchy-matchy, we can go with this other one. And I'm just making them the same. I mean, they can be different like this, right? Let's try that. And then little ladybug. And maybe this one going over here. I'm doing kind of like the same kind of thing. Mirrored, or... I'm looking for the smaller ladybugs that we had seen, so let me find them. And I will, oh, hold on, maybe these. Oh, look, and they're different sizes. Just wonder if I should use like both of them this size, or just make it a little bit different, make one larger and one smaller, just so that there's some difference here too, right? That's cute. That's cute right there, just like that, isn't it? I think it is. Okay, well, let's go with this. And then there are dimensionals in the kit. I'll probably want to use some glue and some dimensionals, so what I'll probably do is open this guy up. And you can see I'm going to put music over because I know that's kind of boring to take the backs off of them and all that kind of stuff. But I'm going to put dimensionals on my lettering. Okay. And I like to support them pretty well. But, you know, wherever you think you need to put them. I'll take the backs off them, and you'll see me put some glue. Okay, hold on. No, not you. These are very sticky, you guys. Okay, I destroyed that one. Hold on. Which is nice that they go right and stick right on. but you want to be careful with that. It's because when I pulled it, I pulled 2 out. Okay, so I'll take the backs off of those. With these guys, I'm just going to go ahead and just glue these down. But it always looks nice with dimension, but I am going to put dimension on the top part, so I don't want to put it all over. So again, just kind of eyeballing where you think that should go. I'm going to put one here, and maybe a little further in. And then one here. Something like that. Of course, mirroring exactly, or trying to keep the same, you know, spacing all around that guy. All right, and then I'll put some dimensional on these guys, and you'll see me doing that. Okay, so I'll be back. A sweet, easy card. I mean, it's really nice to just have everything in front of you, and I am also just getting better at this as you play with kits and you see, you know, what you have and what makes a nice like composition, and it just gets easier and easier. So just, you know, keep trying. I know people ask a lot of time, how do you make your choices? I don't know. I just figured a nice background piece, just like if you were making a card with anything else, right? And then some topper bits, and you know, and I just wanted to do like the same but kind of a little bit different for the top one and the bottom one. I left it loose on the edges so that it would have a little bit of dimension too, even with that. So that's what I did with that. So that is one Slimline card done in literally minutes, right? So let me bring out an A2 size card base, and I'll just play around. Same thing. I'll just have some music over. I'll bring out some of these guys. Let's try this pattern because it's very different and fun. And you know, I'll just have my kit here in front of me, and I'll just grab what it is that I would like to, you know, get from it. Again, maybe we use a background piece, and I think that's the way to go, is just to kind of ground it and then add other pieces. Maybe we'll go with that. Why not? All right, so I'll keep building. One, you saw me orient it differently and do some different things, and I think that looks really sweet and cute, and so let's go with that. So again, I'll just pop on, I mean, if you want to add more, you like that. I'll probably just glue that down. This might be popped up, and just play with it that way. So yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Glue this one straight down, dimensionals on there, maybe some dimensional on this little guy, but his little booty kind of glued down, and then dimensional just under the head. And do that just kind of like I did here. I stuck the little booty down, but I did put some dimensionals behind here, so it just gives it a different kind of look. So I will do that. I'll be right back. So there's my cardigan, just putting the ephemera on there in a fun way. I like rules of threes, you know, this time I kind of centered it, but 1, 2, 3 items on top of, you know, that focal point. However it is that you like. I was even looking at this and thought, maybe I should add a little something else here and here, you know. We still have the butterflies, I mean, lots of things that we can play with. Actually, why don't we, on this one, pop on some of these guys. Just a little something else. Again, with that rule of threes. And with these, I always like to do like a mix of larger pieces and smaller ones. I don't know if I should push on these. Let me see. Okay, they're a little bit harder material, so that's good. So like 1, you know, 2 and 3. So a smaller one and another small one, and just like little dewdrops. I really, really like that. Here, maybe, yeah, okay, here's fine. And then I'll do the same thing over here. So again, same sizes and everything. The only thing I did different was the little flower, right? So we'll just pop this guy kind of like here, and then a couple of smaller ones there and there, right? All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I'll have images coming up. I'll have links in the description box, and I will see you all at the next one. All right, bye now.